bolo konu kes Emorikikinos Derek Orone loko NRM Isa Taligola Bandalib Obonipe ka Joseph Okoboy loko Noob Kotoma Aimo Aseeta Orone nes ajai ameja Gogonyo Taligola nes ajai apopo Joseph Okoboy nes ajai kaukura Orone nes adelo ret kanuka epoko lo aisaba lo ipao bakie
Snejai kapana nese propaganda opapaka kia somere propaganda araje nkona nese bano nokare shepike odokona sobe propaganda no muna rekirora deri konyenu ipuno jente deri Orone ebeke atao ereta una minitunga ake dama era dama ne umwa development ito no go man podo sakro ne propaganda akironi kamuta shomana ashometongo so da kapa pula shomete Orone Derek O level A level a national education shomete Orone Derek
Taligola nes ekeonit ajistoina ashoman ka aikeitoina ibakor
ashoman no idua yoko no Gogonyo ejai kwap enangete duwe P7. Now, P7, where do you go? Young balo chuma, balo ngebe, we must get Gogonyo education scholarship scheme to help those children who are very knowledgeable, intelligent, but dwarfed by our economic status at the household level. Ibore na unie kit, ibakuru nweja aso Gogonyo, bangito sakuro. They have even grown, gray hair, the kind of poverty. And it is a national statistic by Wubos that the poorest sub-counties in Uganda is Gogonyo and Apopo. Must we be happy about that? So a balong ebe young apel right keun at okisho itunga no Gogonyo o mama young
Okoboy nesa balebe erai kwana nesi abongo kinete na itunga lo Gogonyo.
I won't come back for the LOC5 seat. My people of Gogonyo have called for me. There's a serious call there. You might see a few that have escorted me, but there's a serious call down there. I am a true son of Gogonyo, and the Gogonyo people wanted the Gogonyo person, and I will serve them as a Gogonyo person.
Nako TV East David William Okiria, Code Digital Pallisa, Aijana Kinateke.